Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry, class 10, exercise 11.3, problem number 1. Exercise 11.3, question number 1. Evaluate. First one, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Second one, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Third one, cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. Fourth one, sin 15 degrees into sec 75 degrees. Fifth one, tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. So these all are we need to evaluate. We need to find the values. Let us see first question, that is tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. So here any one only we need to change to complementary angles. So complementary means already you know that is sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary angles. So here I am changing 36 one, I am changing 90 to how much we are subtracting means we are getting 36. 90 minus 54 only we are getting 36. So means we need to write this one tan 36 how I am writing 90 minus 54 degrees whole by cot 54 degrees as it is. Just here either numerator or denominator any one only we need to change. Now we know the formula tan 90 minus theta equal cot theta. So what is the formula? Tan 90 minus theta equal cot theta. So it is of the form tan 90 minus theta model. Means we need to take cot theta. Cot theta means here 54 degrees. So cot 54 degrees by here denominator as it is cot 54 degrees. So cot 54 degrees get cancelled. That value is we are getting 1. So tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees value we got 1. This first one it is completed. Now second one. What is second? Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. So 12 degrees complementary angle we need to take. 90 to how much we are subtracting means we are getting 12. So 90 minus 78. 90 minus 78 only we are getting 12. Means this 12 how we have to write it? 90 minus 78. So cos 90 minus 78 minus as it is. Just the first one only I am changing. Second one as it is. Only one we need to change. So sin 78 degrees as it is. So here it is of the form cos 90 minus theta. So what is the formula? Cos 90 minus theta equal sin theta. So this is the formula. So it is of the form cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus 78. Cos 90 minus 78 becomes sin 78. So sin 78 minus sin 78. This is the plus sin 78. This is the minus sin 78. So 78 degrees. This both are cancelled. Means we are getting 0. So cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees value. We got it here 0. This second one also completed. Now third question. What is third one? Cosec 31 degrees. Third one it is cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. So this 31. 90 to how much we are subtracting means we are getting 31. So 90 minus 59. So here 1, here 8 minus 5 is 3. 31 we are getting. Means this one how we have to write it? Cosec 90 minus 59 degrees minus sec 59 as it is. Sec 59 degrees. That equal, it is of the form cosec 90 minus theta equal sec theta. This is of the form cosec 90 minus theta. What is the formula? Sec theta. Here theta value is 59. Means we need to take sec 59 degrees minus this one as it is sec 59 degrees. So this is the plus 69 sec 59 degrees. This is the minus sec 59 degrees, get cancelled, that value we are getting 0. So cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees value we got it here 0. Next, fourth question. What is fourth question? Sine 15 degrees into sec 75 degrees. So this 15 one I am changing. 90 to how much subtracting means we can get 15 degrees? 90 minus 75 only we are getting 15 degrees. So this one I am taking sine 15 degrees one I am taking 90 minus 75 degrees into sec 75 degrees. So it is of the form sine 90 minus theta. So what is the formula? Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos theta. So here theta value is 75. So we can take sine 90 minus 75, we can take cos 75 into sec 75. Already we know the formula. So multiplicative inverse. So cos theta equal 1 by sec theta or sec theta equal 1 by cos theta. So here this one, anyone we need to change. I am changing this sec 75, I am changing cos 75 as it is, I am taking cos 75 into 1 by cosec 75 means cos 75. So cos 75 get cancelled, that value we are getting 1. So fourth question answer is sine 15 degrees into sec 75 degrees value we got it 1. This is the fourth problem. Now fifth problem, that is very simple one. It is the for 1 mark question. It is very important. Fifth one, tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. So here 26 degrees and 64 degrees. Only we need to change. Any one value only we need to change. And already I changed the first term only I changed. Now I am changing in this second term I am changing. 64. 92. How much we are subtracting means we can get 64. 26 we are subtracting only we are getting 64. Means tan 26 degrees as it is into tan 64. 64 means 90 minus 26 degrees. So it is of the form tan 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus theta value is cot theta. That is cot theta. So here tan 26 degrees as it is into cot 26 degrees. Already we know that is tan theta equal 1 by cot theta. So that equal 1 by cot theta value is 26 degrees. Cot 26 degrees into cot 26 degrees. So this cot 26 degrees, this cot 26 degrees get cancelled. We are getting answer is 1. So tan 26 into tan 64 degrees value we got it 1. We have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In the next video, we will see same type of problems, that is using trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Do comment in the comment box if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.